is Maya Regman.
I'm Kay Kim.
Hi there, my name is Giselle Rodriguez Benitez.
Hi, I'm Aaliyah.
I'm Raquel.
My name is Rose Angel Condi.
Hi, I'm Alex.
I'm Fiona.
My name is Erdita.
Hi, my name is Valerie Janice, and I am the founder and president of the I Dare to Dream project.
We just finished Valerie's second workshop, and I think my biggest takeaway from this was definitely having the courage to ask others for help in what I want to do.
Valerie came to us and she disguised Dare to Dream, and I loved it. He showed me that I can go for my dreams and not care for my fears and not care for what anyone has to say.
We literally confronted our fears head on. It was so empowering.
So empowering. It was amazing.
She's a very motivational speaker.
Hearing Valerie again, it's just, I needed that empowerment. I just needed that wake-up call again.
She believes in us and she thinks that just like she made it, so she thinks that everyone else can make it.
As soon as she walks into the room, you're ready to listen. She comes in and she speaks to these girls with such passion and such poise that you're ready to listen when you leave the room feeling empowered and feeling as if what society thinks that you can't do, you can, and you'll be able to change that in the future.
At the end of the day, I believe in dreams, I believe they matter, and I believe that they are fundamental in our search for purpose, direction, and self-worth.